When the actual go live date came, we took our Friday through Sunday. We basically said no more transaction in the old ERP system as of close of business Thursday. And then we took all day Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to do the final data imports, scrubbing, and testing of the system, tying off all of our accounting numbers, making sure our on-hand inventory balances matched from between the old system and the new system, both the inventory counts as well as the inventory values, making sure all of our account balances tied off between the two systems. So then finally we went live on Monday morning when people came in and were able to log in and start using the system. It went pretty smoothly. I think as smoothly as you could expect a go live to go. People were able to log on and start working right away. We had work orders, or jobs as we now call them in M1, jobs already printed out and ready for them to clock into. They were able to use barcode scanners to scan into jobs and start working, which was something new for them, but makes it more efficient and less error prone. And we were able to move on about our business from go live. And then over the next several weeks, during go live, we of course answered a lot of questions, worked through some process details where we felt like the process would work in one way, and after using it for a little while, we find out we need to tweak the process a little bit to make it more efficient or to prevent data entry errors, whatever the case may be. And we also implemented a few new minor customizations to make it easier for people, and again to make it less error prone for when people make data entry errors. Our go live process was very smooth, and the guys prepared us pretty well.